Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I was thinking about these Dollar Tree wall decor that we could dress up for Christmas. Well, they're already Christmas. But anyway, I saw this really cute countdown to Christmas at another store that was quite a lot more than $1. And I thought I could make that, and so can you. So you just need one Dollar Tree wall decor that you like that goes with your decorations for Christmas. And this snowflake is from the Dollar Tree. It's rather plastic, and you get 6 of them. Really, really cute. Then the only other things that you'll need that I did not buy at the Dollar Tree are some magnets. I did have these on hand. You just glue them on and stick them. The only trick is to make sure you stick the right ends together. So when you glue them, you want to make sure you do that right. And then I needed some numbers. Now I had these stickers. These are from last year from Target Dollar Spot. But you could even cut out your own circles, decorate them, and put your own numbers on here. So you need numbers to count down to Christmas, and you need some hot glue and a little bit of twine. That's all you need, and we're just gonna put it together really quickly. And you could do this with your kids. This would be a great activity to do so that you can get ready for December 1st. Okay, this is so easy. You'll say, why didn't I think of this before myself? So anyway, I do want to show you about the magnets. Now, the magnets are like this, and you do need a little bit stronger magnets. You can get those at a craft store or Walmart or somewhere. But anyway, you want to make sure about how they stick together. If you try to put them together the wrong way, they will not, they'll polar, like they don't like each other. So anyway, I'm not a scientist, but I know when they stick together. So anyway, wanted to show you about that. The only other thing that you will need to do before we get started is just make sure you have the little wall decor that you really, really like, and then put it together. It's so super easy. And again, you'll say, why didn't I think of that before? So anyway, the great craft for the kids. Let's get started. Okay, because there are 24 or 25, depending on how many of these number stickers you want to make, you will need that number of magnets plus 1, because you're going to need a magnet on your snowflake that will indicate which day it is you're counting down. So what we've got here is our wall decor, which is super cute by itself. And then my first tip would be to go ahead and put your numbers where you want them. Now, because these are stickers, they are going to remain wherever I put them unless they're repositionable, and I don't think these are. Now, the other thing is to take your decoration and look at it. If you have these double wood like this one, you do not want to put your magnets on the double wood. You want it to be on this thinner wood. It will work. You have this one, which is adorable as well. And he is, oh dear, Christmas is here. And you could put your magnets anywhere on here. Now, your magnets are going to be on the back, and you can cover that if you want to. If you're going to have it where people would see it, yes, you may want to cover it with some paper, some scrapbook paper, or a piece of wood or something, or cardboard, or however you want to do that. Mine is going to be up against the wall, so it really won't matter, and it's just going to hang. The next tip I have for you is to put your numbers where you would like them and just give it an idea of what you would like. If you don't want to cover up your main picture, then you may want to go around the edges and at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stickers where I want them to be. Okay, once you have all your numbers where you want them to be, then you need to flip it over and you're going to be putting your magnets on the back. Again, you want your magnet to be glued down to the side that your, your other magnet will stick. And so that's what we want to do. And so it might take a second for you to figure that out. Just make sure that you have your magnet the way that you want it, and then you're just going to glue it on for each one. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue, and I'm going to make sure that it's where I want it to be for number 1, and I'm just going to stick it down. And put your finger over it will help you to know exactly where you want your magnet to be, and then you can see that your magnet's going to stick on there. All right, so I'm going to do that for each one of these, and then we're going to finish it up, and that's as simple as it gets. Okay, once you've applied all your magnets, which you can see how I applied mine on this particular one, and as I look at my stickers, they kind of blend in with this particular wall decor. Might could have put some black construction paper behind them to make them stand out a little bit more, but this is just the first one, and I'm going to show you the other one that I made in a moment. But what you need now is an indicator. So this is what we're going to use this snowflake for. I painted one side of the magnet white so that I can put it inside here behind the snowflake so that you can't see it really. I mean, you know it's there and you can see it if you look for it. But I'm going to glue that onto the snowflake. I'm going to look at the best side, whichever side that is, and glue that on. You thread your twine through or string or however. If you have trouble, you can put a little tape on the end of it like this. Just wrap the tape around and then you can get it through that little hole really easily. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your twine and you're just going to tie it through the wall hanger here, and then you're going to tie a little knot on the other side. So basically I'm going to tie here. I could add a little charm, I can add a little bow, or I can just cut that off so that it doesn't look like that. I can even hide it behind if I want to. Then I'm going to take my snowflake, and now my snowflake's going to have a magnet on it, and it's going to have to reach all the way to 25. So I want to make sure it's long enough, and then I want to tie it just around here to make sure that it reaches, and then I can cut off the extra. So, but I do want to make sure that it measures all the way down, and I can put my magnet on there and it won't have a problem. You want to secure it really well. You can even put a dot of glue on it to make sure that the knot doesn't come undone. You can put decoration if you want to. On this one, I'm not going to. I'm just making sure it's really tight, and then I'm going to cut it off really close. Now the only other thing for this one is to glue the magnet on. So I'm going to do that around the perimeter of this little circle that's in the middle of my snowflake. Now these are from the Dollar Tree, these little snowflakes. They're really cute. And I did make sure I had the right side of the magnet where I needed it. And now you can see I can take my snowflake and I can count down to Christmas on any of the days. And then I'm ready to go. So I can count number 1. Here's day number 1 right here. And then day number 2. And then day number 3. And whatever day that I'm on, I can just count down to Christmas. It's so cute. So anyway, I'm going to show you the other one. And then I hope that you make one of these. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so real quickly, here is the other one that I made. I really like it. It's adorable. Again, I used the same snowflake, and you can just put it on whatever day that it is to count down to Christmas. And then Christmas is here, and I need one more magnet, and I'll put it back here so that on Christmas Day, I can put my little snowflake on Christmas Day. But it's really fun. These are easy to do. You can do them with your kids and count down to Christmas. And these are only $1. So you just need your stickers or your numbers, or you can write them on. You can decorate them however you like. And this little snowflake comes in a package of 6 at the Dollar Tree. And you can just make it your own. So it's really, really fun. So I did make 2. I made the one with the snowman, which is really cute. I will give you a tip on this. Make sure your magnets are placed the right direction, and then don't put anything too thick between the magnets that have to stick to each other. Like this is just a little bit of a raised number, and that works okay. But if you did put a like felt in between, that's a little too much. I did try that, and it's just a little much. So Countdown to Christmas in this cute DIY. Just really simple and easy and fun to do, especially with your kids. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY for Christmas, and that you will subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.